Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 3rd, our word of the day is plaintive. P-L-A-I-N-T-I-V-E. Plaintive. Plaintive is a 9-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Plaintive means sounding sad and mournful. Plaintive is an adjective for describing someone or something with a pleading, sorrowful, desperate tone. If you have ever heard the plaintive howl of a wolf, then you know what we are getting at here. Similar words include mournful, sad, wistful, doleful, pathetic, pitiful, piteous, melancholy, melancholic, sorrowful. Examples of sentences using plaintive are: she uttered a plaintive sob, closed her fine eyes, and fled, trying in vain to still the beating of her heart. It was only when she started being plaintive and forlorn that we returned to her. What about me? Came a plaintive voice. The songbirds had returned, but their calls sounded ever so plaintive and piteous. I asked, disgusted by how plaintive my voice sounded. It was the truth, and it came out of Julie's chest, loud and plaintive. Make sure to save this new word, plaintive, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.